Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel World of Knowledge. Today I'm going to explain how to go viral on social media. Before we start a video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment. Now let's go. In today's digital age, going viral on social media can be a game changer for individuals, businesses, and organizations. A viral post can generate massive exposure, increase brand awareness, and even lead to new opportunities. However, creating content that resonates with people and gets shared across various social media platforms can be a challenging task. In this article, we'll explore some tips and strategies for going viral on social media. Number 1. Be original and authentic. One of the keys to creating viral content is to be original and authentic. People are drawn to content that is unique, creative, and authentic. Whether it's a funny meme, an inspiring quote, or a thought-provoking article, make sure that your content stands out from the crowd. Number 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial when it comes to creating viral content. What are their interests, pain points, and motivations? What kind of content do they typically share and engage with? By knowing your audience, you can tailor your content to their preferences, which will increase the likelihood of it going viral. Number 3. Use visuals and multimedia. Visuals and multimedia are essential elements of viral content. Images, videos, and infographics are much more shareable than text-based content. Make sure that your visuals are high quality, engaging, and relevant to your message. Number 4. Keep it simple and concise. In today's fast-paced world, people have short attention spans. Keep your content simple, concise, and easy to understand. Avoid using technical jargon or complex language that might alienate your audience. Number 5. Create a buzz. Creating a buzz around your content is critical for it to go viral. Use teasers, previews, and sneak peeks to generate interest and excitement. Encourage your followers to share your content and use relevant hashtags to increase its visibility. Number 6. Timing is everything. Timing is essential when it comes to going viral on social media. You want to post your content when your audience is most active and engaged. Use social media analytics tools to track when your followers are online and schedule your posts accordingly. Number 7. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building relationships and increasing your chances of going viral. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussion around your content. In conclusion, going viral on social media requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and timing. By following these tips and staying true to your brand and message, you can increase your chances of creating content that resonates with your audience and gets shared across various social media platforms. Thanks for watching my video. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.